my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, y'all. So, last video we identified what was tripping the brake. It was the compressor itself. This one did no such thing, and we were impressed by how it performed. So guess what? Finna go get our own. Let's go. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy LS Chevrolet 240, Lone Star Chevrolet 250. Y'all see it. We are headed to the store to get us a compressor. My boy last video was nice enough to let us test it and see what it was that might be going on with ours. And sure enough, that seems to be the issue. So we're not gonna do like we did before. We're not gonna buy a used one. We doing this the budget friendly way, like always. The price on this compressor, you know what I'm saying, little Harbor Freight joint, it's like $4 something. So what we'll do is we'll sell the other compressor, you know what I'm saying, like $100, you know what I'm saying. And then we'll turn around and then we will apply that towards the balance on the new compressor. Last compressor, man, we got it from a pawn shop. It was already used. But I mean, it seemed to do the job, or so I thought, until it started tripping breakers. Truth of the matter is, it always tripped breakers, but it wasn't never a big deal until now. Come to find out, I had a bigger problem all along and didn't even realize it. So, for the at-home DIY guy, you know, Sprayway, Underground Paint King, Grant 7 have already showed you that you can use a smaller compressor and still get a job done. What we have now is like a 30-gallon. That's the one we're gonna be getting rid of, sacrificing 3 gallons. But after that, it won't have the same issues that it had before. So that would be great. That would be great. So it's almost 5 o'clock, so I gotta go fight this traffic, and I'll catch y'all back on. So this is not a road rage video. Alright, so you know where we at. We are at your favorite store. Keep me coming back. But at this point in time, man, the prices on the American prices, man, is damn near the equivalent. Cross our fingers, we got one in stock. Bing bong. There you go. This says take one. I surely will take one. So this is, now I read about the Ultra Quiet series, and it's not, you pay a little bit more, but you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So this would be our first brand new compressor purchase. I guess cheapo really is dead. Cheapo ain't dead. Cheapo just, I don't want to go through that shit with a used air compressor again. You know, we done been through a couple of them, so. 29 gallon, 2 horsepower, 150. Nah, we gonna go for what we know. We go for what we know. Go for what we know. Go for what we, and then plus with the space, you know, we're working with a little bit of a small area to work with, so plus we put the little harbor freight protection plan on there, and then we good to go. Is there anything else I need while I'm here? Y'all got any more of them paint cups, my boy? Nope. No paint cups. No paint cups. Has Cortez been in here? I think Cortez been in here. Y'all let me know. I forget which one of these again Cortez was telling me about. I don't know if it was this one. I think this one he was saying was good, or that one. So this is the HVLP. We ain't gonna get it today. But he's like, he didn't need a black widow. It's crazy. Crazy. So yeah, I mean 229. Now that's not very LS Chevy Rider at all. 74. 74, yeah. This one right here, 144. It's kind of tipping into a different realm, but yeah, for the 74, we could definitely make it do what it do. All right, so you see it. Man, I don't want to even fucking talk about it. This shit was a nightmare purchase. I guess I'll tell y'all about it on the way back home. All right, so this is what happened. Why it was the worst buying experience or whatever. And I guess it ain't no fault of theirs. I should have just paid fucking cash from the fucking beginning. But anyway, what I was trying to do, I was trying to put it on my credit card. But I didn't want to put it all on one credit card. I wanted to spread it across so that my credit utilization wasn't over 30%. Y'all know. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? Why you want to do that there. But that ain't what I'm here to tell you about. So yeah. So one card charged, the other card will not charge. I called the bank. Bank said, oh, well, they detected fraud. I'm like, yo, I just literally just used my other card at the same place. Like, I don't know, why would you let one go through and not the other? That's stupid. So they said they were gonna unlock it or do whatever they needed to do. I could go back, I could use it in 30 minutes. I could leave, I come back, 30 minutes later, I tried again, nada. Well, from the first time, well, let me back up a little bit. So the first time she did it, and then it didn't go through, and the other car wouldn't do it, I was like, but they had already refunded it, right? So I was like, well, fuck it. Well, no, something about she hit the cash button or whatever. So after the other one processed, then it just like cashed out. So like I was gonna get that bit for like half price. Nah, they wasn't gonna let me walk up out of there like that. But what it was try to record in a damn drive-thru. So damn, what the fuck was I at? Yeah, so after she ran the first amount, then when she refunded, they had to refund the whole thing. Well, credit cards, no, it don't go back automatically. That shit gonna take probably like a couple days. So then I was like, fuck it, just run the whole amount. Not thinking that, okay, now I don't have enough on that card to just run it all together. Had I ran the whole amount the first time, yeah, had I just ran the whole amount the first time on the one card, I would have been good. But like I said, I was trying to keep my utilization down. So 30 minutes go by, or whatever. They said my other car should be good. It wasn't good. I went back. I couldn't use it, so I just ended up paying cash, paying the other half in cash. I mean, cause I could have just paid cash for the whole thing, but I wanted to use a credit card. I didn't use a credit card. You know, you put a little charge payoff on there. You know what I'm talking about? But you know what I'm saying. Plus, if I ain't gotta use my liquid, then I don't want to have to do that. So, but yeah. Long story short, I ended up paying half on one card, and then on the other one, it's not. Never doing that shit again. But anyway, like I was saying, the last little bit of the story basically is that when they did the return and they refunded the money back to me on my card, that shit don't go back automatically. So now it's less money than it was, and it wasn't enough to just put it all on the one card. And I still wasn't able to use the second card. It was a headache. So I ended up having to pay half of the shit in cash. So, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I ain't fucked up about it. Whatever. However, it was something that was supposed to be a quick in and out, bing bang, bing bong transaction. It wasn't supposed to be no fucking 2 or 3 days or 2 or 3 transaction thing. And then now I gotta wait for damn money to be refunded and put back on my card and shit. It's a fucking headache, man. Fucking headache. Cash is king, nigga. Cash is king. But like I said, I keep turning this light on and off. I barely ever use my damn cards. So I like, screw it. This is like not a last minute, but it was a unforeseen thing because I didn't know that the compressor was the issue. I probably would have went and been changing out breakers and paying an electrician and all that shit, and probably still would have fucked around and had the same issue. But thanks to my boy, he knew how to kind of narrow it down. And then after we went over there and borrowed his and was testing and everything, then everything got, real crystal clear once the shit locked up. So there's that. All right. So, yeah, that was my experience. So, and I did it again. Like, you're not gonna get any brighter. You're not gonna get any brighter if you turn the fucking light on and soak up some light and then turn it off again. Oh man, dark skin problems, nigga. All right, but yeah, man. So, like I said, just picked up some food, headed to the crib. Fam can eat. That's another thing. She probably like, where the fuck is you at? You was supposed to go get the food. Well, see, what had happened was I don't want to face that wrath. Not alone. I need a legitimate excuse. So I don't know. So there should be a refund for one of the amounts, but then they should have charged it again. So hopefully all that shit is all sorted out. But I got all my receipts. In the event that is not, and they're gonna have to run me my jackets, my bread, my fetty, my wop. But yeah, like I said, terrible experience. Like this definitely didn't turn out any of the way that I had fucking expected it to. But hey, it is what it is. I guess it made content. Content. Anyway, well again, I'm gonna wrap this shit on up. Next time you see me, man, the new compressor will be installed. I'm not gonna run y'all through no install video or no shit like that. What the fuck is y'all doing? I'm not gonna run y'all through no install video or no shit like that. Next time we back to business. We got the compressor, yippee, or whatever. Went ahead and put that protection plan on that thing just in case it ever get the fucking up. They said they cover everything but theft. So we gonna see. Said 2 years? Yeah, so probably at I don't know. Probably right towards the end of that, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna go on and swap it on out one more good time for good measure, you know what I'm talking about? So, you know how we do. Anyway, man, it's your boy Ellis Sherrod 254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. We got the new compressor. Can't nothing stop us now. We got air on deck so we can spray and we can grind and we can sand and do everything it is that we need to do so we can goddamn get this road to Whitfest continue. This is all because of Whitfest. I just realized that. Fuck it. We out.